Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Abhilash from AH Tech. Well, today I am going to show you how to make your video look more interesting. Like this or to look like this. So without any delay, let's unbox this RGB light. This is how the outer package looks like. I purchased this RGB flood light from Amazon for 499 rupees. Outer package looks like sanitized. I feel perfume smell. That's the good initiative by Amazon. Now let's open the package and look what's inside. If you want to buy this product, I will give link in the description box below. Please do check if you want to purchase. The packaging is very good. Looks like there's no issue in that. With this type of gadget, you can give your video a professional look with the budget price as well. It consumes less power. Essential Smart Bright G2. This is Duolite company's RGB light, which consists of 96 LED lights and 8 ICs. I purchased this light on Amazon for 499 rupees. I will give link in the description box below. Please do check. It consists of 96 of LEDs and 8 ICs with anti-glare diffusers. Anti-glare diffusers suppress high-angle light above 65 degrees to reduce visual glare and improve the unified glare rating UGR of luminaries. In short, light spectrum to reduce glare and improve comfort level for eyes. This is how the RGB brick look likes. Apart this bent off a stand, everything looks good. Yes, they provided stand. This stand will rotate 360 degree, so you can adjust this stand for 360 degrees. Stand will have to put on the ground or you can hang it on the wall. Also they provided remote wrapped by the bubble covers. Looks like there are plenty of buttons with different colors. This is how the remote looks like. Even you can download RGB remote for your mobile. But make sure that your smartphone should have the IR blaster. Otherwise it won't work. There are plenty of buttons that you can press and change the color of RGB brick light. The quality of the remote is not up to the mark. This remote looks like made from a poor quality materials. There's a slot given to insert a battery. On the top there's a IR blaster. In order to connect this to the power source, on the back there are two terminal wires is given. This is how it looks like. You need to skin some of the wires. Let's skin some of the wire cover. After that, you need some of the extension wire and as well as plug to connect it to the power source. Connect two terminal of the wire from RGB brick light to extension wire. Use some insulation tape so it will be last long. After the connection of two ends, you are good to go. Plug the extension cord and turn on the switch. Now let's press on button from the remote control. This is how it looks. Note that this is on the least brightness. Press the button whatever color you need. It will change instantly. Build quality of this brick light is top notch compared to some other brands. Remote control is also given in the box itself. So there are plenty of lights that you can change. There's a 4 types of modes as well: flash, strobe, fade and smooth. Look, I will put it on flash mode. This is how it flashes. Strobe, fade, And last but not least, smooth. And also they provided brightness button also. You can increase and decrease as well. I will show you. I am decreasing now. This is how the brightness changes. You can buy this kind of RGB lights for 200 to 300 rupees, but they won't last long. So think before you buy. Make some jugaad on the background to set up your light so it looks more beautiful. So that's it for the video guys. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.